Man.
Anyhow, there you go. So what did you pick? What'd you pick? Germany what? Germany what?
No, Chile, 2-1.
Chile 2-1?
That was your MC Hammer?
Stop it.
Oh, it's Friday.
It is. So there you go. Kevin Barker picking, I won't ask you under 21 pick. Spain and Germany. Spain and Germany under 21.
Spain, 2-0.
There you go. Oh, you said nil.
There you go. I'm grown.
Have a great weekend, Mr. Barker. Look forward to your work on Blue Jay Central.
Thanks for having me.
And we will see you Tuesday. Don't forget, starting Monday in Toronto. Baseball.
Sweet. That was taste.
Preparing for your draft.
You, the people, have the power.
Vikings, our team. All 27.
The guy sitting next to you. You never know the murderer sitting next to you. You think I'd get here sitting next to you. But after all I said, please don't forget. All my friends are here to take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know. Please don't think I'm sad and loose. You don't know the half of the abuse. We don't deal with outsiders very well. They say newcomers have a certain smell. Yeah, trust issues not to mention. They say they can smell your intentions. You loving on the freak show sitting next to you. You love some weird people sitting next to you. You think I did not get here sitting next to you. But after all I've said, please don't forget.
It's lying.
All my friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to